We ask a lot of our homes, so they have to wear a lot of hats. Office, playroom, cafe, just to name a few. Well, this Pulte home wears all the hats. Prepare to be inspired and try these tips to maximize every space in your house for work and play. Come on, let me show you. Working from home can be great. Lots of us do it full time. Just make sure to pick the best room for the job, whether it's an extra bedroom or a bonus room. Of course, if your house already has an office like this Pulte home, it's easy to create a workspace you'll love. First, internet. Consider hardwiring throughout the house so you're not worrying about downtime. Plus, video calls are here to stay, so elevate your backdrop. Keep it professional, but add a personal touch. And finally, choose a room with doors. It's time to focus, people. Of course, the kitchen is the heart of the home, and it gets the most traffic, so commit to keeping it healthy and clean. With antimicrobial countertops like quartz, touchless faucets, and air and water filtration to keep out even more of the bad guys. If kitchen traffic is interrupting your family flow, look for adjacent spaces to lighten up the load, whether it's used as a second office or a homework hangout. You'll be increasing your home's multitaskability. That's a word, right? When it's time to disconnect, dedicate a space just for play and keep work out of it. What I love most about this Pulte bonus room is that it has one purpose: family fun zone. Stock it with anything that encourages spending time together. Or maybe you play best outside. Then style your space with furniture that makes you want to lounge and arrange it so that you can allow for easy conversation and an excellent view of the playing field. Checkmate. This Pulte home can really do it all, at work or play.